You're gonna love the 2024 Nissan Armada. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.